welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review and unboxing, and I don't want to say haul because it's not, of this flexible clamp from the 99-cent store. I'm going to be doing these little things from now on. I'm not going to put a schedule. It's just whenever I find something that I think is worth buying from the 99-cent store, that is cheap, but that is good to use, you know, like it's worth the $1.99 instead of buying it for a bigger price or more expensive. I found this flexible clamp. It says ideal for phone, pad, GPS, and more. It did cost me $1.99, and this is in the area, like on mine, it was close to the cashiers where they have all the headsets, all the headphone jacks, all the earphones, battery and cell phone gadgets and all that shenanigans. That's where I found this one. Flexible clamp. And it says here what to do. And I already took it out, but as soon as you open the box, this is the only things that you get in this little baggie. Very, very plasticky. But yeah, before I continue, please subscribe to my channel now that you're already here, and click the little bell to notify you when I have a new video. Click on the little description box down below. There's a bunch of little links that you can click, like joining on my Instagram, my Facebook, or checking out my online BAPRON shop. Selfish promotion. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much. I really appreciate your subscription. It's totally free. You do nothing, you pay nothing. But other than that, let's get to the video that we're talking about. So the flexible clamp is the plastic here, ASMR, it looks very cheap, but it does the job. It has this little thing here that you kind of like pull to the side and make it whatever size that you want, like for your tablet, your phone. It says and more. Like I'm guessing you can also put like a GPS. What is here? It says for phone, iPad, or phone, pad, GPS, and more. Whatever that you want to clamp to here. The other thing is the actual clamp. Now this thing, it reminds me, I don't know if you ever had a bike and you had like the chain and it was actually like a little, like a wire kind of thing. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really hard. This thing, it's hard. I can't untangle it or uncoil it. Like, I'm pretty sure somebody else can, but like, it's hard. But I don't mind it being like this because this little ball lets me like wobble my thing around. I'm gonna show you. Now here, the only thing that downside for this is the clamp. The clamp, it is plastic. And the inside, it has like a little foamy part of it that kind of like doesn't damage your item. It really will not, I wouldn't think, like unless you really jank at it and stuff like that. It has these little coils right here on the side that I'm guessing you can manage. You can tighten it by turning this thing around, and then look, it's really sturdy. You untighten it to make it bigger, thinner, whatever thickness of whatever is that you're clamping into it, like a table, a pole, I don't know, whatever it is that you're gonna clamp it to. And you have this little genicle rubber thing here on the top, and right here on the plastic area, it's also a little coil kind of thing like the bottom. You can actually take it off. There's no need to take it off. This is to tighten it, like whenever it's that you put the little ball in there. Now this is hard because you actually like have to like push it. You hear that thing? And then with this, you will tighten it whenever it's that like you want it to be this way, you want it to be down, whatever side you want it. Like, oh my gosh, this is really hard. So it's really sturdy, so it will really hold whatever it's that you're putting. If the iPad or the tablet is heavy, you can, it would hold, you know what I mean? But I was thinking of like whenever you're recording on your phone, for those that are YouTubers, whenever that you're recording on your phone, you have a steady thing instead of having a tripod or anything like that. Whatever that you're clapping, you want to record at, you can do so. So you can tighten it by tightening this little thing, and it will tighten. The word is hard. It will make it tough for you to move. Tighten it. Right about there, you see? Now, the clamp here, I have my phone in my cover here, but I'm gonna take it out so I can show you. I have tried it with the cover, and it does just fine. Here's my phone. If you wanna do it horizontal, you can. You just size it to whatever size, and you can do the front view camera, turn it around, do the back view, either way. See? It's really tight. It won't let go of it. I don't have a tablet with me at the moment, which that sucks, but it would also hold your tablet. Let me go ahead. Let me see. I'll bring the tablet right in a minute. Like in this case, the iPad is in a cover. That wouldn't matter because you're doing it the other way around. And you just, let me see if you're able to see. You clamp it, you pull, and it grabs onto the other side of the tablet. Woohoo! That fell, but that's my fault because I have the cover. And that's Layla. There we go. Like, I really wouldn't recommend it for a tablet, to tell the truth, because in the case it's heavier, but the little clamp here is really small. So maybe if I take it off of the cover, it will work, but I wouldn't just use it on the iPad or the tablet. I would use it more for the phone. Because it's easier, like for the YouTuber, or if you're not, if you just want to record or have a video call, have it steady, it's perfect for the phone. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna lower you guys down a little bit so you can see how you can clamp it to the table right here. I'm gonna put it a little bit higher. I have my phone and I have the clamp. Now I'm going to just simply, can you guys see? I have just put it up. If you want more space, you just would put it up. Just clamp it or coil it or move it higher there until your desired length. And uncoil this thing all the way to the top, just like so. And then it's clamped to the table. Now you just go the opposite way. Right to the table. Now it's already clamped there. And then I can move the little coil thing. Now this thing, I'm pretty sure the more you use it, the looser it's gonna get, or the stronger that you will get. But there you have it. Look at that. You can turn it on, view yourself or whatever in here. I'm trying to turn it on, but obviously I can't. You see? Then there you have it. Luna, excuse me, Luna. And then you can record yourself. This thing is pretty sturdy. I do recommend it if you wanted to record yourself in a phone. The tablet, I'm not so sure about it. If you have a mini tablet or a smaller one, then that would work. But other than that, the phone goes great. It's very sturdy. The plastic here, that's the only thing. It's a little bit sucky, but it still works. It does its job. Look at that. It's really clamped into that. You can obviously also use it for, like, if you want to clamp it to, let's say, a pole. You can also do that. Then you do this. See? To my bench here. I'm clamping it to the leg. It's round. The phone is still very dirty right there. You see that? Yep. That is the review, the unboxing of the flexible clamp from $1.99 from the 99-cent store. I do give it a 4 out of 5 stars. Why do I take 1 star? Because of the plastic. That I think if they would have made this maybe the same metal, I don't know, a little bit sturdier, I would feel more confident to put the tablet in there as well, and then make this one a little bit larger, a little bit thicker, so that it actually would hold on to something else. But other than that, it does the job. It holds really nicely. The phone, you can clamp it to the table. You can see I clamped it to my stool, which is the round part of the leg. It holds pretty good. So I do recommend it. I do recommend the flexible clamp from $1.99. It does have the amazing new value, and it does the job. But yeah, other than that, that is all for that I have today for my, I will call it tech review, or I don't know if this is technical, but review on items that I think are worth buying from the 99-cent store. It says here that its flexible arm provides 360 viewing, so you can just like turn it around whenever you have it here, you can wiggle it around. But if you're a weak person like I am, this thing, it's hard to uncoil and make it good. Which is also good because it's sturdy and it won't wobble around if you're moving the table or anything else. But yeah, other than that, that is all for today's video. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye. Remember to check the description box for other links for you to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and follow my shop as well. I'll see you guys later with another review of something else. Bye bye.